Welcome to how to use the advanced search feature to filter and generate reports in the Workflow Manager. In this short video, I will explain how to use the advanced search feature to filter and generate reports for specific queue and queue types in Workflow Manager. So let's get started. After you log into the system with your username and password, the application displays the Workflow Manager homepage. On the right side of your screen, click on the Advanced Search button. The system displays a form requesting the details of what you require in the report to be generated. Select the queue type, the status, the date range, enter the phone number, the address, select if the work order has been assigned or both, select the region and the priority level. Then click on the Search button. Please note that at least the queue and the queue type are the most required fields on this form. The application displays all work orders available for the selected criteria. Then click on the Export to Excel button on the right side of the screen. Click the OK button to continue other activity. Immediately you get a notification pop-up that reads, Excel generation in progress. You'll get a notification when it is done.